In today's video, I'm going to teach you Slack for beginners, how to use Slack in just 5 minutes. Start by heading to slack.com. If you're new, sign up with your email. If you've been invited to a workspace, just log in using the link you received. After you're in, you'll either create a workspace for your team or join an existing one. Take a minute to set up your profile with a clear display name and a friendly photo. This helps teammates recognize you quickly and keeps conversations personal and clear. If you prefer quick access, install the desktop or mobile app. The apps keep you signed in and deliver notifications reliably, which is helpful if you don't want to live in your browser. You can always switch between web and app without losing anything. Let's get oriented. On the left, you'll see the main navigation. This is where channels, direct messages, and key shortcuts live. Think of it as your command center. Channels are where most teamwork happens. They're topic-based spaces, usually named with a hashtag. Some are public to the workspace, others are private. Join the ones that matter to your role, and feel free to mute or star channels to keep your list tidy and your focus sharp. Direct messages are for private conversations with individuals or small groups. They're perfect for quick check-ins or sensitive discussions. For decisions that others might need later, default to a channel so the context is easy to find. Your home view is your personal hub for recent activity, saved items, and reminders. Use it to catch up fast and pick up where you left off. At the top, the search bar is your best friend. Search by keyword, then refine by channel, person, or date to find messages, files, and people quickly. It's faster than scrolling. In the top right, click your profile picture to set a status, adjust notifications, or jump into settings. Do not disturb is excellent for focused work, and a clear status, like in a meeting, helps teams respect your time. Inside a channel, click to open it and type your message at the bottom. Keep messages concise. Shift plus enter adds a new line without sending. Use at mentions to notify someone directly. This ensures the right person sees your message without pinging everyone. Replies belong in threads. Threaded replies keep side conversations organized and prevent channel noise. Follow threads you care about so you're notified of updates. Emojis are more than fun, they're fast feedback. A checkmark can mean done, and a thumbs up can confirm you've seen a message. To share files, drag and drop them into the message box or use the plus button. Add a short description so people know what they're looking at. For quick collaboration, start a huddle in any channel or DM. It's lightweight audio or video, great for clearing up questions fast, and you can screen share when needed. And that's your crash course in Slack. Keep your channels organized, use search and threads, and you'll be working smarter in no time.